Hello guys, welcome to Fact Maniac. Today we are going to talk about the best inventions of Tony Stark. This is the second part of our video, so for those who have not seen our previous video on the inventions of Tony Stark, then please go and watch it first. In this video, we will start from where we left in our previous video. In the previous video, we discussed about the artificial intelligence, Jericho missile, arc reactor, the new element, Iron Man suits, telepresence headset, autonomous prehensile propulsion suit Mark 42, Project Insight, and his nanotech glove. And now we will be discussing about the remaining ones. So let us start. So beginning with, we have the Iron Legion. Tony has one of the most creative and weird minds in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. He comes up with ideas and strategies of which no one can ever think of. After the attack of New York, Tony started to have panic attacks and he could not sleep at nights. So he started to make different armors for himself in order to keep him busy. After Mark 7, he created 35 other armors and all were designed for special circumstances. When Tony was against an army of extremists, he called all his armors, which were an army of his own. With this, he came up with an idea to create drones which will be controlled by Jarvis and will be sent to places where Tony and Avengers can't reach. Later, he dropped this idea when his Iron Legion was in control of Ultron and destroyed Sokovia. He never created them after that. So next on our list are Ultron and Vision. One of the best creations of Tony was Ultron. Although it did not end well, as he went rogue, considered humans as a threat to peace and tried to cause global extinction. But he was an unbelievable state of art of Tony. Tony created Ultron with the neural schema of Mind Stone embedded in Loki's scepter with the help of Bruce Banner. The main aim to create Ultron was to build a suit of armor around the world to protect it from future threats because Avengers won't be around here for all the time. Ultron wanted to create a body for himself from vibranium but was not able to upload himself completely in that body, and Avengers captured that body. Tony, in order to correct his mistake, completed the other body of Ultron by uploading Jarvis in that body. That body was now having synthetic vibranium and Mind Stone from outside, and from inside it was made up of combined intelligence of Tony, Bruce, Ultron, Jarvis and Mind Stone. This made him an ultimate android and also worthy of Mjolnir, known as Vision. The Hulkbuster armor, Mark 44. We know that Hulk is the muscle and Tony is the brains of the Avengers. Hulk if goes berserk, then he is unstoppable. Even Odin's son Thor can't take on Hulk's rage and wrath. So for such circumstances, Tony with the help of Bruce Banner created Veronica, which is an artificial intelligence especially made for the Hulkbuster armor. Veronica is situated in the outer orbit of Earth and can only be activated by Tony. It contains a cage for Hulk which gives enough time to Tony to suit up. It contains a lot of spare parts for the suit like extra thrusters of different types, arms and all other replacement for if suit gets damaged because it is up against Hulk. This suit has a lot of arc reactors, so to have enough power during a fight with the Hulk. Spider-Man suits. We all know Tony for his Iron Man suits of all sorts, starting from mechanical suits to nanotech suits. But he did not stop here. He not only created his own suits, but he also made a Spider-Man suit for Peter Parker and loaded it with a lot of things like a tracker so Peter won't be lost, a heater so Peter won't catch cold, and also a parachute so Peter won't fall. He also loaded his suit with an artificial intelligence called Karen, web shooters with 576 different combinations, a small drone, retractable wings, and a heads-up display. Peter himself said that it was like a skin-tight Iron Man suit, and in Infinity War, Tony also gave him an Iron Spider suit. This suit also had spider tentacles that acted as extra limbs and proved quite handy in a close combat. BARF, Binarily Augmented Retro Framing. This technology was first used in Captain America Civil War. It can connect to human brain and then you can see your memories and also alter it or erase it. Tony created it to deal with his traumatic experience of his parents' death, but later in the Spider-Man Far From Home, Mysterio claimed that this was his illusion tech and Tony hijacked it. After Tony's death, Mysterio created fake monsters and also a theory of parallel universes so that he could get his hands on Tony's defense system Edith, whose control was with Peter. He manipulated Peter and made it look like he wasn't worthy of Edith. Mysterio with his technology and Edith created a fake monster, causing havoc and acted like he was stopping it so that people would consider him the next Iron Man and praise him and look up to him. But this was also one of the most important inventions of Tony Stark. So next on our list is Edith. Edith stands for Even Dead, I Am the Hero. Edith was Tony Stark's augmented reality security and defense system. Tony did not create it for Peter Parker, but he gave him access to all of its protocols. It had access to entire Stark global security network, including multiple defense satellites, and it can enter from the back door to all major telecommunication networks. That gives the user access to every communication gadget without anybody knowing it. The defense satellites contained thousands of hunter-killer drones that were equipped with highly advanced and lethal weapons. These drones could fly with supersonic speed, target multiple targets, equipped with lasers, machine guns, sonic boom guns, flamethrowers, and a lot of other weapons. These drones were also capable of camouflaging themselves. With these, they can sneak up to their target and eliminate them without anybody knowing it. Time-space GPS. This is one of the greatest inventions of Tony Stark, as it was because of the time-space GPS that the Avengers were able to go back in time, collect all 6 Infinity Stones and reverse the damage done by Thanos' snap and bring everyone back. Bruce tried time travel, but he failed because of the EPR paradox. Due to EPR paradox, when Bruce Banner sent Scott back in time, he came back at different ages of his own. Tony removed this paradox, created a new design of the quantum tunnel, and made time travel possible. Infinity Gauntlet. Infinity Gauntlet is one of the most powerful objects of the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It is not something that anyone can make. It could be made only by Eitri the Dwarf. It was made from Uru metal so that it could handle the power of all the 6 Infinity Stones. It is nearly impossible to create something that can handle the power of an Infinity Stone on Earth. Yet, Tony managed to create an Infinity Gauntlet that could bear the power of all the 6 Infinity Stones. This gauntlet was very powerful because it was not destroyed after the snap and could be used for the second time. It was also a state of art of Tony, as it was made on Earth and even aliens like Thanos could not make it, although being far more advanced in technology. So this was all for today. If you enjoyed our video, then please like it and also tell us that which invention of Tony Stark you consider to be the best from both of our videos. Thank you for watching.